Hey, Justin Lobato here inside of the Autogeek Show Car Garage, and we're here with this vehicle and this tire to show you how the DP tire coating works and the benefits of this product. Now, of course, first you're going to want to get this tire as clean as possible, and what we did is we used the DP dual action tire and wheel cleaner to do that, and that allowed us to remove all the road film and grime that was built up on this tire to get this nice uniform black finish. So all the browning that most people deal with, that will strip that away and get this nice finish. That is what I consider the prep work. So then you would move into the DP tire coating, and this is going to be 5 times longer lasting than a traditional tire dressing. And it's going to hold up better in regards to durability with repellency against dirt, dust, road grime. Anything that's basically on the road, it will help repel. And that way you're able to have your tires looking good for a much longer period of time to also complement the finish of your vehicle as well. So everything looks uniform and good and always new to say. So this product, one of the biggest things I like about it is that it also plays as a protectant. This is going to help protect against UV, drying, cracking. So that's something that's more of a benefit when using a coating versus a traditional tire shine. So getting into the application, as you see, we prepped it. Now we're going to apply it. So what we're going to want to do with that is this foam applicator or microfiber applicator or whatever your preference may be in applicators. I like the actual Speedmaster foam applicator you see here. Take this tire coating, shake it up, make sure everything is nice and mixed. You're going to go ahead and apply that product to the face of the applicator, and you're going to want to move not super fast, but fast enough to get it around the tire, because it does start to set up pretty quick as a tire coating. And I'll start at the top and work my way around. And if you have to apply a little bit more to the applicator to get an even application, this is actually working out pretty well from the amount that I put on the applicator originally. That's a nice even application. It's not too shiny, has a nice finish to it. And what you're gonna do is you'll let this set up for a few minutes, I would say 15, 20 minutes. And if you like, you could put additional application on. That way it's more thorough, but also a lot more shine and gloss. Or you could keep it like this if you like the matte finish. And this will give you the durability you're looking for months to come versus a traditional product that only lasts days and or a couple weeks. So this is something that after, again, that 15 to 20 minute period, you'll be able to come back, wipe the surface, and notice no residue, no sling, and of course having beautiful either light luster or high shine finish to your tires based on how many layers you want to put on. So if you want to learn more about any of the DP products or of course the DP tire coating, visit autogeek.com.